I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of.
Hello everybody, YOLO Financial Security. You're welcome again. Today, what do we have? From Cornerstone Insurance. Insurance products. We're going to be talking about insurance. Now, let's pay attention to Mr. Chidi. Mr. Chidi is Mr. Emeka's neighbor. Mr. Chidi doesn't believe in insurance. Mr. Chidi believes he pays his tithe and he goes to church regularly, so he's covered by the blood of Jesus. Mr. Chidi imports from China as well as Mr. Emeka. They also go on travel vacations together sometimes. They go on lots of travel as well. Now, Mr. Chidi, of course, as well, and Mr. Emeka, they are both comfortable. They have attained the status in life, have houses, they have cars, they have children going to luxurious school, a family, a living. Now, something has happened to Mr. Emeka. Something has happened to Mr. Emeka, and it has made Mr. Chidi realize the value and importance of insurance. Now, whatever happened to Mr. Emeka, it could be a various number of different things, but what Mr. Chidi saw is that Mr. Emeka got bailed out. Mr. Emeka's family continued living normally in spite of the kind of things that happened to them. In spite of the incidents, everything just kept on going smoothly for Mr. Emeka and his family. And Mr. Chidi couldn't really understand it. And Mr. Chidi got scared. And that's where it starts. Fear. Fear is good because fear reminds you that you are alive. Because the reality is, as we are living, there is risk and there is threat. Now, it might just be a little rain that is falling, but somewhere that rain could turn into a flood and it could wipe away and destroy many things. It might just be a little NEPA just brought light, but NEPA just brought light can turn into a spark and can turn into a fire. And what if your fire extinguisher refuses to start on time? Now, we are not talking about when things happen or when things don't happen. We're talking about the financial value. The financial value of your assets. Okay? We're going to be talking a lot more about money, but for today, from Cornerstone Insurance, they have simplified. Mr. Chidi now believes in insurance and is asking, what are the things I can get? What products can I get that would keep my mind more at rest? I don't want to be afraid if anything happens the way it happened to Mr. Emeka. Where will I start from? That's a good question to ask yourself. Where will I start from? How much do you have in the backup that you feel that you can replace your current standard of living if anything shake you? You understand? All right. So they said for the life assurance savings, insurance is divided, Mr. Chidi, insurance is divided into two: life assurance and general insurance. Now for the life assurance, you have ISAVE, 3 products from Cornerstone Insurance. Number 1, ISAVE, you're planning for the future. Number 2, term assurance, you are happy when you are. And number 3, child education fund. These are life assurance products from Cornerstone Insurance. I'll get back to them in a minute, but let's look at what they have for general insurance. General insurance, we have comprehensive motor insurance. Comprehensive motor insurance. You have to shield your vehicle. Your vehicle is an asset. Your vehicle is an asset. You have to shield it. Better home guard. Better home guard. Now let us be your cornerstone. Better home guard. Travel insurance. Travel insurance. Personal accident insurance. Personal accident insurance. And gadget protection plan. You see, it seems Cornerstone has something for everybody. So let's quickly go into it from gadget protection plan, because everybody is using a gadget. In fact, I'm using a gadget to record this right now, as you can see. Okay, so gadget protection plan, better be safe than sorry. It says it covers repairs in the event of a cracked skin, audio port damage, power ports, and water damage to devices like smartphone, tablet, television, home entertainment, laptop, desktop, PC, printer, and game console. Any gadget, it covers repair. Not if they steal it though, because I can't see stealing there, but it covers repair. Okay, it covers repair. Your phone 1 million nowadays, the inflation, they will say come and repair your phone 300,000. Insurance, gadget protection plan, we are going to be looking at each one together. Okay, gadget protection plan. All right, now apart from gadget protection plan, we also have personal accident insurance. If you can see this man's hand here, he has put bandage on his hand. So personal accident insurance, it says 24-hour insurance coverage worldwide. This policy, when you have it, if you get injured anywhere you are in the world, it provides cover even for death resulting from accident. It will provide permanent disability result. It will provide payment. It will provide a settlement for permanent disability resulting from accident. It will be payment of medical expense following accident. That's what Cornerstone is promising you. And then affordable premium rates. I heard that this policy is only 3,000 naira for a year. This policy that will have a 24-hour coverage, provide cover for death, 24-hour, 3,000 naira only. And then very flexible scale of compensation tailored to meet your expectation. All this is grammar. You have accidents, be sure that the financial repercussion, hospital, God forbid, financially to be taken care of. Travel insurance. This covers the insured while they are traveling outside the borders of Nigeria as a fare-paying passenger in a fully licensed standard. Okay, so if you are traveling legally, you have all your papers, everything, it covers you for, injury, it covers death, permanent disability, it covers medical expenses while you are there, and it covers what? Loss of luggage. That's a good package you can get from Cornerstone if you are traveling. Travel insurance is very good and useful. In fact, many embassies are going to ask for it. So travel insurance, make sure you get it. Now, better home guard. I have to actually say this. My landlord's son that is holding the camera, and his room that nearly got burnt the other day. But this is better home guard insurance for accidental loss or damage to the items insured. Okay, so this covers the house plus the content. I think medical expenses for domestic accidents. If somebody falls down in the house, yes, it covers. Okay, cost of alternative accommodation in the event of damages by fire. So that day that there was fire in this place, you want to go and sleep in a hotel while they are repairing the house. Cost of alternative accommodation, the Cornerstone will cover it. Covers death of insured caused by fire or thieves while at the building, provided contents are insured. Provided you have this policy, it will pay for death or injury or anything caused by fire or thieves on that building. And it has personal legal liability. This is a comprehensive homeowners insurance. If you have this for your house or your building, anything that is insured inside that building plus the building itself, everything plus the person inside the building plus the visitors of the persons inside the building, everybody is what? Sure, it's covered financially. And then we now have comprehensive motor insurance. You have a car nowadays. I bought car last how many years ago, 4 million naira. He sold the car 4 years later, 8 million naira. Which kind of life is that? So if that car, he now lost that car somewhere along the line, or he crashed the car, or one trailer jammed the car where he parked for queue, where he's buying filling station. Comprehensive insurance. Friends can follow your car. This will cover you and it will cover. Some people do not know the difference between third-party insurance and what it can do for them. And my next video is going to be on third-party and comprehensive insurance. But first of all, let's go back to the life insurance. Life insurance from Cornerstone Insurance. They said they have ISAVE. You are planning for the future. What does it contain? Create capital for future needs. You save. You need capital. And you need to save, you need to work, you save, you work, you save after taking care of your daily expenses. Insurance is a good place to save. It says what? If it is for capital to start your business, to buy a house, for school fees. So in the event of death, the account balance and the sum assured are paid to the beneficiary. So you have a plan, you have to secure your plan so that nothing happens to the plan, even if anything happens to you. It provides a short-term savings plan alongside life cover. Short-term savings plan, but we give you life cover to go with it. So that's the important part. You can save in a bank, you can save anywhere, but we will give you life cover, because anything can happen at any time, but you must always be prepared. Now, available for customers under the age of 65 years old, or under the age of 65 is your morning and active time. You need to do what you gotta do. So during this period, we cover you if anything unnecessary happens. By the time you are in your retiring phase, you should have sorted yourself out. Okay, that's why we are all hustling today. So policy term is 2 years renewable. ISAVE 2 years. Policy can be surrendered after a minimum of 13 months. That's after you've saved for 1 year and 1 month. If you want to withdraw, or at any time, we will give you your money without any charges. But insurance, if you want to withdraw suddenly, sometimes we will take a few charges because you are breaking a few things we have set in place so that we can cover you. That tents that we put in place, we are going to have to pull it down. But after 13 months, you can withdraw. Now, what of term assurance? Term assurance is very simple. It just provides money to help your dependents. Term assurance is very simple. It provides money to help your dependents. Term assurance is not for you. You are paying as security to help your dependents in the case anything happens to you. Now, maybe it may be extended to cover named critical illnesses. So if maybe you already have a critical illness, maybe like cancer, God forbid, or AIDS, something that is life-threatening, or even that you are containing and managing, we can cover that kind of plan so that if anything eventually happens, we will pay. Now, it may be used to as a collateral for business loans. When you want to take a business loan, they need to know that in case you die, God forbid, your loan will be paid so that they won't come around sack your family, house, and all that. All right. Now, children education fund is very simple, very, very simple. It's optional annual investment. You can start from 60,000 annually, 600,000, 6 million annually, or 60 million annually, or even 600 million annually. Who says you can't? But you break that down how you want to be paying it: weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. You are saving towards a specific term, 5-10 years, and then this one has death benefit, which equals future unpaid annual premium. So if you are saving 6 million per annum, after 5 years, that is 30 million. So the death benefit is 30 million. God forbid, if you die, if somebody dies, which will be true, if anybody dies anytime within the 5 years, the 30 million is already assured. If at the end life cover equals future or paid annual premium, okay, and then it has attractive interest rates. If at the end of 5 years, you finish your term, you collect all your 30 million back, your interest rate, 30 million could have turned to maybe 33 million or above. I don't know how the underwriters calculate it, but consult very well with your insurance company. These are the products, 7 of them that they have offered you in this piece here. 8 of them: comprehensive motor insurance, better home guard, travel insurance, personal accident insurance, gadget protection plan. I like that gadget protection plan. ISAVE for life insurance, term assurance, and child education plan. All of these products have life cover insurance with them, and then you can save and withdraw your money. For term assurance, you can't collect the money back. It's just a small premium, but you pay for cover for life. But the ISAVE, you are saving your own money and it has a cover for your life. And also the child education plan, you are saving to your children or your plan for something like that, and it also has a life cover. I'll be expatiating more on many terms as it goes, but thank you. If you're enjoying this channel, like, subscribe, make a comment on what you want to hear, ask questions. I'm ready to answer, and I'll probably leave my information and other information about Cornerstone on this under the comment section, so that you can check the products and go to their website and you can get an interaction. I can give you a free quotation, a free advisory, free assessment of your risk, free advisory and free quotation, and help you facilitate whatever insurance needs you may have. Now, back to the beginning, what happened to Mr. Emeka? Mr. Emeka's goods, all his investments that he was bringing in from China, got sunk in the highway ocean. And I know I didn't mention that policy here, but that is goods in transit. That was the policy Mr. Emeka had in place that saved him. And Mr. Chidi was lucky. The few items he had on that particular trip that he lost, he was shaking, but he didn't go big on that trip. And that's why he was wondering how Mr. Emeka was able to sustain living his lifestyle, still restock, still go back again the next time. And then when they had the conversation, Mr. Emeka told him that I have been fully and comprehensively insured with Cornerstone Insurance. All right, so it's awareness. I hope you enjoy that. So like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Appreciate you. If you've watched this far, I don't take it for granted.
I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close